How to recover Snapchat account without phone number and email. If you want to recover your Snapchat account without using your phone number and email, then this video might be helpful for you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So right now I'm at this section where I have to enter my credentials to log into my account. But since we are trying to recover Snapchat account without using phone number and email, you just have to go for Snapchat subboot. For that, simply go back and open up to Google. And here in the search bar, you have to type in search for support.snapchat. And once you search for that, you'll be able to see Snapchat support at the top. Simply tap over there. And you'll be opened up to this interface where there are various options in this section. So here you have to scroll a little bit and you'll be able to see the contact us option. Simply tap over the contact us and you'll be able to see this interface where you have to submit a request for your account. So here are the various options for help. So you can select your preferred one. You can also select I can't access my account over here, and here is one more option. You can go for I forgot my password, and it will take a few time to load for another result. And here result has been seen in this section. You can scroll a little bit and it has been disappeared, but you just can go for yes option in this section and you'll be opened up to the same text box here. So here you have to enter the username of the account which you want to recover, and also you have to enter the email which you have linked with your account, and also the phone number. But remember, before entering the phone number, you have to enter your country code. For example, my country code is +977. So if your country code is +2 or something like that, then you need to enter that first, and after that you can enter your number. And finally, at the last section, there is a description. So in this description, you have to enter that you want to recover your Snapchat account. And you can also add others, or you can leave as it is, and you can go for submit option at the button over here. And by doing that, your request will be submitted and Snapchat will contact you for the further informations, or they will guide you to recover your Snapchat account. So by following this simple step, you can recover a Snapchat account without using phone number and email. I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.